Today we're diving into Ollama, a platform that promises to bring local AI capabilities right to your fingertips. But does it really deliver on that promise? Let's see what this platform has to offer and if it's worth your time. Ollama is designed to help users run AI models locally on their machines, which is a pretty appealing concept, especially for those concerned about data privacy. The core functionality revolves around its ability to allow users to deploy various AI models without needing a cloud connection, which can be a game changer for developers and researchers. Navigating through the platform feels quite intuitive at first. It offers a clean interface where you can easily manage your models. What stands out is the fact that you can run these models on your own hardware, which means you're not reliant on external servers or internet speeds. However, the documentation available is somewhat limited. For newcomers, it might feel a bit overwhelming without clear guidance on setup and troubleshooting. While it targets developers and tech enthusiasts, casual users may find it a bit too technical. Overall, the potential is there, but there are areas where clarity and support could really enhance the user experience. So let's break down the pros and cons. On the plus side, the ability to run AI models locally is a significant advantage for privacy-focused users. The platform is quite flexible and supports a variety of models, which is great for developers. However, there are some downsides. The limited documentation can be frustrating for those who aren't as tech-savvy, and the initial setup can feel daunting. Plus, users with older hardware might run into performance issues, which could limit the effectiveness of the platform. If you're looking for a straightforward, user-friendly AI solution, Ollama may not be the best fit. But for those who are comfortable with a bit of technical setup and want the benefits of local AI processing, it could be worth exploring. In conclusion, Ollama is a promising platform for those interested in local AI capabilities. If you're a developer or someone who values data privacy, it might be worth a try. However, casual users may want to consider alternatives that offer a more guided experience. Overall, it feels like a solid option, but with some room for improvement.